We have a instruction manual, which is fairly simple. The back here, take a look at that and read all this here. So this is a QR code here. Take this QR code and we'll do that. Look at that in a second. I'll show you that in a minute. So it comes with a USB-C charger, little one here. So I charge this up literally like 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes just to get a quick charge on it. I plug this in the back here, plugged into my wall, and within 5 minutes it was up and running. So super simple technology that hooks up to your phone so you can actually see what you're doing. And I'm going to give you an example here right now so you can see. So as you can see here, I'm actually going into my ear, and the ear I just showed you a minute ago was clear, but this is what it looked like. Okay, absolutely loaded with earwax. So the idea behind it is to go very slow. Done. I'll show you here. This is the end result of one ear. Bear in mind. Okay, one ear. All right. Now that, my friend, is nasty. With every venture that you're doing. Okay, guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you at the next review.